Introducing the Mosely Infinity Level, a new tool with innovative features that will change the way you work. It's your new job site buddy, an extra pair of hands. The fine adjustment knobs are a first ever feature that turns your level into an adjustable ledger. Quickly adjust with up to 3/4 inches of travel. Our hands-free holes feature gives you that extra pair of hands while you're working. Holes are strategically placed on both faces, allowing you to attach this level to a variety of surfaces. Our proprietary connection system precisely attaches multiple Mosely Infinity levels together. Straight Connect. Simply connect to the desired length for infinite possibilities. Can be used with other helpful features, like using an attachable adjustable straight edge. Side Connect. Turns the Mosely Infinity level into a T or L square. When installing doors, connect and attach levels to hold the door frame square, while checking for plumb and level. The connection can also be offset, like a drywall T-square. Side Face Connect. Uses a ledger on walls for installing upper cabinets. A starter course for tile and installations where multiple walls need leveling. We've developed trade connectors to help make specific installations easier and extend the Mosely's functionality. Add a digital level and angle finder for pinpoint accuracy. The Jamber set includes two 4-inch extensions to give your level the perfect fit for installing doors. The Mosely Infinity Level was built to last, built to perform. It's a versatile tool designed to streamline your work throughout the day.
Hi, I'm Mike Lewick. I'm the co-inventor of the Mosely Infinity Level, which happens to be named after my oldest boy, Mosely. I grew up in a construction family. I have 5 brothers, and we all helped my dad run his business when we were growing up, and we've all worked in the trades, doing different things, and I ran a construction company here in the Bay Area for about 10 years doing custom homes. The last year and a half, 2 years, I was a building inspector for the city of San Jose, looking at commercial and residential construction. I've seen a lot of construction. I've been around a lot of construction. I've been around a lot of good people in construction. I've learned a lot about, through these good people. And basically what I'm trying to tell you guys is construction is in my blood. That's kind of what I know. This idea originally came about when I was doing a job and it was a lot of bathrooms, and I hired a guy to do some tile work for me, and I was watching some of the challenges that he had getting that starter course of tile on multiple walls dialed in. He had his laser line, he had the wood, he put the level on top of the wood, and it took him about 45 minutes to get the first course just dialed in. And then I started thinking about how I do it, and I had my aluminum channels, and I put the screws in, my levels, and I was just, it took me quite a bit of time. So kind of light bulb went off, and I came home and I started drawing up some stuff and just really thinking about what I could do to kind of solve this problem. And I was blessed to know this guy, Russ Borg. He's a really good friend of mine. He's a machinist. He's just very detailed. And we sat down at a coffee shop, and we just, I kind of explained to him the problem, and I said, hey, partner up with me and let's try to get this thing going. Thank God he bought into it, and so we started messing around with some different connection systems, and he nailed it with the connection system that we have here. We tried about 3 or 4 different versions, and this is the one that kind of stuck, and it just became so versatile of being a 3-way connection system. And then we partnered up with our patent attorney, and for the first 6 months, we met every week in my back little cottage where I was living, and we just brainstormed like what this thing could do. So it was time to actually make some prototypes, so we bought some commercial grade levels, some Empire levels. We cut the ends off. We had some ends made that had the connection system in it, and we just started, we put the connection knobs, our adjustment knobs in it, and we gave it out to guys. I started using it in the field, and we just wanted to see, are these features real? Are they really going to benefit the end user? And the feedback we got was just, it was pretty amazing. So we hit the National Hardware Show in Las Vegas about 3 years ago, and we created a booth, and I knew nothing about trade shows at the time, and we had a trailer with the whole set that we built, and we came in and set this whole set up, and we had a great time, and we got a lot of people interested in it, and we left there just buzzing, thinking, okay, we got something good, now we gotta take the next steps, The change of momentum happened when my father-in-law came in as a a 20% investor partner, and he gave us some new money, some new life to actually start making a prototype that was ours. So I started drawing it out. I had, you know, it 3D printed, and my very first one actually I made out of redwood, and I just like chiseled all it out, and I had it next to my bed, and I would sleep, and I would just look at it, and you know, when I first saw the tangible thing, I got pretty excited, and you know, we bounced around from going plastic to metal, and I knew we had to do metal to make it, you know, a professional grade level. This right here is our fourth version of what we've been working on, and you know, so we hit another show with our prototypes that our version up in Portland, the JLC Live show, and we just, again, everything came alive again, and the contractors that we were talking to and the distributors that we were talking to, people just got excited, and we got excited, and so we came back. I remember driving back with my wife, and I was thinking, honey, we got to do something with this. You know, if we don't do something with this, the opportunity is going to pass, and we're going to miss out. You know, so. Sorry. You know, my wife, she's been so supportive, and so we sold the house. I quit my job. My wife, believed in me to pursue this. So we finally got to the point where I thought we could run with it, and so I quit my job, and we just kept, you know, working with the manufacturing, and we had, you know, to bring the manufacturing costs, we had these guys, you know, plastic injection molds. We had our end cap protection designed, made to protect the ends, and we just were fine-tuning, you know, the features and the functionality, and just making sure that, you know, what we give you guys is a reliable product. And there was a couple times we wanted to launch, but we just weren't ready because some of the tolerances weren't quite there yet. But I feel comfortable now that we've kind of dialed in, you know, the tolerances, what we need to do to kind of get it out, to meet industry standards, to get it out to you guys. And we're just real excited to see where this journey takes us, you know. You know, what really keeps me going is just showing it to new people that are in the trades, and getting that positive feedback back. That's what's really driving me right now, because I've been working so hard, and we're going to deliver a product that will deliver. You know, I think it really will save you time in the field. It will make your installations easier. Thank you for your interest in our tool. Buy one, get on our campaign, and you join our story and make this level yours. Thank you.